Okay, so the January Soap Challenge Club is starting off with an ombre design, which, as we all know, is right up my alley. So I had plans for an ombre soap day, and well, let's just say I lost all motive and inspiration to make soap. But I had already mixed the lye and melted the oils, so it was ready to go. So I was like, well, I'm gonna make soap. Then, when I went to go mix my colors, I realized that I did not have enough of my pink left. I thought I had more, so I had to kind of wing it with what my third color would be, because my third color was going to be a mix of this and a darker pink, which obviously wasn't going to happen now. So I have no idea how this is going to go. Like I said, I'm really kind of not even in the mood to make soap. Like, my brain is just like, no, I don't want to make soap. So I'm just gonna go with this, see what happens, and holy cow. Okay, so wow, did I just completely miss that side. This is a new mold, Soaper Supplies. So they sent it to me to test out. And wow, the edge is different than what I'm used to, and I have to pour a little bit different. It's like, it's harder to, I can't lean it right up against it. I kind of have to hold it and pour, which is fine. It's not a big deal. You learn how to use different molds, but in the process I just made a really, like I said, totally missed the mold. Just poured it right down the side, outside of it. I am very curious to like see how this mold performs and to play with it. So as you can see, there's no mold holding the liner. The liner is the mold itself. It's thick, part of why I misjudged when I was pouring, so that it should hold its shape even when the soap is filling it. So yeah, curious to see how it is when I have it full of soap, and how it unmolds. It definitely feels very well made, so I'm excited over that. Anyways, I got lots of pouring to do. I'm going to do lots and lots of passes. The goal is to get as smooth an ombre as possible, and to do that requires lots of pouring. Adding a little color at a time. I have a number of videos on ombres. In fact, I have a full-blown tutorial on creating ombres from two color to multicolored. I will link those here somewhere in the video, either at the end, in the notes, or in the description, but I will link those videos because I have tons of tips and instruction on how to create a really nice ombre that subtly transitions from one color to the next. So anyways, sit back, enjoy, and I will speed this up. So the soap definitely has kept its shape, didn't bow out. It pulls away from the sides very easily. Ooh, and look at that. Out it came. Okay. It's not bad. You can definitely see that one hard line there. This is a really nice, subtle up until that point. This isn't that bad. It's the color choice. This peach kind of turned yellowish. I don't know. I'm not in love. Like I said, it's not bad. I don't dislike it. But for a challenge, like, not something I want to submit. Because I know I can do better. I don't know. I feel like maybe I haven't used stencils in a long time. But I have a whole collection, and this kind of feels very almost summery, not maybe a little beachy, sunsetty. And I know I have some summer themed stencils, so maybe I'll just stencil design on top to give it a little extra flair. Well, guess I'll be making another batch for the challenge.